Welcome to Fast Training Week. So Dr. Mindy here, and all this week I am bringing you the science of fasting and which fasts will make you happier. So be sure that you're watching each day. This goes together as a series. And if you need more support as you go through this process, join us in our free Resetter Collaborative. We have over 30,000 people over there collaborating together, cheering each other on. And if you need more guidance this week, join me in my academy where we have our reset guides. Myself, we're all overseeing you as you go through this experience together. We love fasting. We love the science behind fasting. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, subscribe, stay tuned for an incredible fasting ride. And as always, if you love this information, share it out into the world. Get your friends and families fasting with you this week. Nothing will raise your happiness level like resetting these pathways, getting your neurotransmitters working for you, and dipping into the miracle that you were born to be. Enjoy. This is day one, and all this week we are going to be doing different fasts to enhance your memory, to enhance your mood producing, you're elevating your mood producing neurotransmitters, and we're going to work on some different techniques for cleaning out the brain, for calming the brain, and just in general making you more happy. So this is day one, and our focus today is autophagy. Now, I've talked a lot about autophagy on my channel here, and there's a couple things to know about autophagy. One, autophagy is the process in which the intelligence inside the cell starts to repair itself. Now, you have 72 trillion cells, and so every organ, every body part has a different rate at which autophagy is stimulated. There was a lot of speculation years ago if you could even create an autophagy effect in the brain, and the study I'm going to show you today says absolutely that autophagy is critical for what they call neuroregeneration. In fact, this study that I'm going to link today actually showed that if you are not practicing different states of autophagy, that you are going to end up with more neurodegeneration. So let's talk about your neurons for a second. Inside your brain, you have these neurons that at the end of them have dendrites. And dendrites will carry information from one neuron to the next. And the information that gets carried are called neurotransmitters. So as these neurons degenerate, what happens is the dendrites degenerate. They get plaquing on them, they start to become less effective, and they don't carry the information across. So today we're going to focus on regenerating these neurons, and you can do that by stimulating autophagy. And this is how you stimulate autophagy. You want to go 17 hours without food. So you can drink your coffee in the morning, but you want to go, or tea, 17 hours without food. You are going to break your fast today with fat. And the reason I have you do that is so you can elongate the autophagy effects. So break it with a fat, and then an hour later, you can go into your macros. And your macros for this day are you're going to keep your carbohydrates under 50 net carbs. And the key to autophagy is you've got to keep your protein under 20 grams. Now, as far as fat goes today, we are going to try to eat as much fat as we can because the brain loves fat. So I want you to get over 60% of your food today coming from fat. That is autophagy fasting. And what you're doing today as you follow that length of fast, as you follow those macros, is what you're doing is you're regenerating these neurons. You're bringing life back to these neurons. Tomorrow, we're going to focus on now how do we get the neurotransmitters that send signals, how do we upregulate those? So again, 17 hours, keep your protein under 20, net carbs at under 50. You may need to use Carb Manager. Carb Manager is really powerful for tracking your food today, so make sure that you're doing this. Now, I want to make a couple of key points. One, Once you learn autophagy, if you feel like you're losing memory, if you're having trouble focusing, I want you to look at today as a fast you can do on a regular basis. The more you stimulate autophagy, the more you're going to regenerate these neurons, which is fantastic. If you are doing our beginner fast today, I want you to realize that you are making a step forward into learning autophagy. So if you're going 13 to 15 hours with our beginner fast, that's fine. If you're entering into a water fast, get ready. You're going to have a lot of neuronal repair. So autophagy, it is key for getting your brain to work right, is a key for undoing the damage that modern living has done. Today is day 1 of fast training week, and we are all going to stimulate autophagy and repair these neurons in our brain. Enjoy.